real estate photographer, you're gonna wanna hear this. Since 1999, we've developed a proven real estate marketing system that's being used by some of the top real estate photographers worldwide. I'm talking about a truly unique system that harnesses the massive power of your WOM like never before. WOM is word-of-mouth marketing, and the service industry thrives on it. The only problem is word-of-mouth marketing doesn't work that well for real estate photographers. But why? Think about it. Because of the competitive nature of the real estate industry, when you're good at what you do, whether it's real estate photos or aerial drone, most realtors are going to want to keep you in their back pocket as a secret marketing weapon. But imagine instead what it would be like if real estate agents shouted out your name on their social media platforms right next to your work, your brand, on their channels. Keep in mind that 30-45% of their sphere of influence are other real estate agents that should be using you, your brand, your work in front of the most relevant audience possible. This system is guaranteed to increase your real estate photography business in 30 to 45 days, and your competitors don't want you to know about it. Click on the link, set up an account, and we'll show you how it works.